Hey everybody, okay, yes, it's Leona going live again. Are you kidding me? I can hear somebody right now, right? Because I never go live 3 times in one day. But I am winding down from today's events because remember, I promised you the 10th thing, right? I promised you the 10th thing. So I'll tell you what I'm talking about. So real quick, my name is Leona Carter. I'm an international empowerment speaker, best-selling author of Because I Said So. And I help speakers, new and emerging speakers, get on stage. So today I had one of my events that I am speaking at. We had photo shoots and promo videos today to promote the event that's happening October 8th. And so as I help speakers, get on the stage, I'm still myself getting on stages. So what I help you do, I am still doing, if that makes sense. So I was doing a series of the 10 components to a great signature talk. So first of all, what is a signature talk, right? Who needs one? Who has one? And why do I need one, right? So a great signature talk is just the foundational message that you have as an entrepreneur, as a business owner, an author. It's your foundational message, and it's your message that you share over and over and over and over again. And you share it so much that you become, you become an expert just even in the craft of delivering your signature talk. And so over the week, I've been sharing 10 components to a great signature talk. Now, you know how you've gotten up there and you've said your talk, your speech, your delivery, but we want to take that to the next level, right? There's always room to enhance and grow, right? So that's what I want to help speakers do. So 10 components to a great signature talk. So today I'm revealing what number 10 is, but I'm a recap 1 through 10. Here we go, right? I'm gonna do it by memory. Here we go. 10 components. Number 1, your signature talk, when you deliver and talk on the stage, it needs to have a story. Number 2, it needs to have a point. Number 3, it needs to have an intro. Number 4, it needs to have an outro. Number 5, it needs to be transformational, right? Number 6, it needs to have a peak to the signature talk. Number 7, it needs to have a valley to the signature talk. Number 8, it needs to be relatable. Number 9, your signature talk needs to be easy to share, right? And number 10, drum roll please, ding! Your signature talk needs to have a call to action. Needs to have a call to action as part of that signature talk. So let me tell you what I mean. So whatever transformation that you are providing for your audience, so let's say you specialize in skincare, like you have organic solutions for skincare, right? And so you're telling your audience, it makes your skin smooth and it makes it radiant, whatever your signature talk is. And then at the end, your call to action is, and so if you want to have smooth, radiant skin, you can have your own kit of whatever, right? So your call to action is click this link, or if you're on the stage, your call to action is meet me at the back of the room and you can have your own kit of this, whatever that is, right? So your call to action is a call you make because you want the audience to take an action. So you're making the call and they are taking the action, right? And that should be a part of your signature talk. And so as a professional speaker, you're doing this for your business, for your program for your book, right? You are impacting your audience and you want something from your audience. So you're providing value and gaining value. So it's a value to value exchange between you as the expert and your audience who wants to gain that information from you, right? And so everything you do is a value to value exchange. So keep that in mind, right? And so sometimes I talk to speakers that are not yet confident of how to charge what they're worth, right? And so I always tell speakers it's a value to value exchange. You have your story that, you know, organizations want to hear, right? Your audience wants to hear, and they provide a value, and in exchange you provide a value, right? And so keep that in mind. And so, you know, like I said, I've had a day full of photo shoots and promo videos, you know, to promote the Leadership Experience tour that I'll be speaking at in October in Detroit, Michigan. But even before then, I'm telling you, I am hosting my own speakers workshop here in Kalamazoo, Michigan. Now, it's going to be so energetic. Why would it possibly be energetic, right? Because me, I'm energetic, right? So it's going to be lit. Okay, that's what young folks say today. It's going to be lit. I'm telling you, it's going to be so fire infused and impact, because I'm just going to pour and pour, you know, so that you can be confident to, you know, start your speaking engagements or learn how to book speaking engagements consistently, right? So my speakers workshop is named after my book. It's called the Because I Said So Speakers Workshop. Now this is happening August the 8th, which is the Thursday evening, 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. There will be soft drinks and refreshments, and we are coming. It's going to be a jam-packed evening to learn how to develop your signature talk. So much juiciness. I'm telling you, it's going to be power packed. And what's phenomenal is my friend and associate, who I've come to know, Cynthia O'Neill, she is going to be a guest speaker at the event. Now, let me tell you, she's not just any guest speaker. Come on. Let me tell you, now what's phenomenal, so she is I'm sweating, you know, so I'm just going to wipe my low forehead, you know. She is the founder of Power of the Purse in Ontario, Canada, right? Now, I have spoken at two of her conferences in Canada. She has hosted conferences over the last 10 years and have selected over 140 speakers, okay? This girl knows how to select speakers, right? And so she is coming to my workshop to share what she looks for when selecting speakers. Now, if you want to know what to look, she selected only over 140 speakers, okay? So she knows what she's talking about. She's full of wealth, wisdom, and I'm telling you, you are not going to want to miss this. I have some great stuff to do, you know, so this is me. I have some great stuff to provide. This is her. She has some great stuff. By the time we get together, it's going to be like, it's going to be fire. I'm telling you, if you don't already know, if you don't know me like that, I'm telling you, come to the workshop. If whatever your business is, your program, if you're an author, if you want to know how to do it, right? You just want to know how to increase your visibility so that you can impact your credibility, then I am stumbling over my words, but I am going to help you. It's going to be, it is what it is, baby. It is what it is. So register. Don't let the tickets sell out when you know you want to be here, right? I want you here as much as you want to be here, right? So I'm going to leave the link below in the comments. Click the link. Get your tickets today. So the event, the speakers workshop, is hosted here downtown Kalamazoo at the Radisson Hotel, 4-star hotel. We're going to be in the Stone Theater, which is a seminar, classroom, workshop. So it's not going to be hundreds of people. I don't have hundreds of tickets. I have a small amount of tickets. You know why? That's intentional, so that I can reach out to each individual, answer questions. You know, Cynthia O'Neill, she'll be there to answer questions, so that we can help you on your speaker's journey. If there's 500 people in the room, then the intimate setting won't be available because it'll just be too many people in the room. But if you have questions like, how do I do this? But I don't know, I'm telling you, I want to see your face in the place. Thursday, August the 8th, 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. here at the Radisson Hotel. Come and learn, connect with other speakers. Now, some of the events that I've been a part of, speakers help each other, right? I speak at your event, you speak at my event, right? We collaborate. There's lots of collaborations and, things like that. So I'm fired up. I'm trying to wind down from my day, right? I have tried my best to wind down, but it's just so much energy when you connect with other like-minded speakers and people who are trying to impact people just like you are, other speakers who want to get on stage and impact and empower and inspire just like you do, right? So when you get all that impact all together in one room, man, I'm telling you, it's something else. But anyway, I'm gonna let you go. So remember, the 10 components to a great signature talk is: 1, you need a story. 2, you need a point. 3, you need an intro. 4, you need an outro. 5, it needs to be transformational. 6, you need a peak. 7, you need a valley. 8, it needs to be relatable. 9, it needs to be easy to share. And 10, it needs to have a call to action. So today, this call to action is to register for the speakers workshop. I'm telling you, you don't want to miss it. You don't want to miss it. I haven't even hosted this workshop here in Kalamazoo. I've spoken in France, London, and Canada in the last 18 months. Well, right now, this is your opportunity to connect with me. I have no other workshop planned in the city anytime soon. So I want to connect with you. I want to be able to connect with my community, okay? My name is Leona Carter. I help wives and I help speakers. So I have a dual audience, but right now I am reaching out to my speakers. You can learn more about me at heycoachcarter.com. And remember, I have what I want because I said so, baby. I'll see you in the workshop.